In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your hosting a server IP address, also known as the A record, in just a few quick steps. This is really useful if you're pointing a domain, setting up DNS records, or you need the IP for SSH access. I'll walk you through the process inside hosting a hPanel so you can find it fast, without guessing or digging through menus. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel. Once you're inside, look for the Websites tab in the main dashboard. This is where Hostinger keeps the tools for each website you've added to your account. Click on Websites to continue. After that, find the website or hosting plan you want to check. You'll usually see a dashboard option next to it, so click Dashboard to open the management area for that site. This takes you into the controls for that specific hosting plan, which is where the server details are stored. Now, on the left-hand menu, click your hosting plan. Depending on your setup, it may show the name of the plan or the site itself. Once you open that section, look for Plan Details. This is the area where Hostinger lists the important account and server information. Inside Plan Details, you should see the server IP address displayed clearly. That is the IP address you need for domain pointing, DNSA records, or any advanced setup that requires your hosting server address. If you're connecting a domain to Hostinger, this is the value you'll copy into your DNS settings. If you're using it for SSH access or troubleshooting, this same IP address is also the one you'll reference when connecting to the server. So once you find it, take a moment to copy it carefully and make sure you paste it into the correct place. If you don't see it right away, double check that you're inside the correct hosting plan, because some users manage multiple sites and each plan can have its own details. The key thing is to be in the right dashboard, then open the plan and look under Plan Details for the server IP. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can find your hosting a server IP address without needing any extra tools or complicated commands. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.